What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I'm posting new content. And for the ones that are always coming back to check on you, boy, I see you. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate you. But today we're gonna be making another unit. I think we're gonna do a straight unit with a frontal, and I really don't know what kind of styling I want to do on it. I kind of want to do a wolf cut. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but if you don't, look it up. It's called a wolf cut. It's basically just like a bunch of layers in like a shag or whatever. But I think I might go with that look. But I'm gonna put the wig together on my industrial sewing machine, and yeah, I want you guys to go through that process with me. So stay tuned, and thank you again for coming back to see your boy. All right, let's do this. All right, you guys, we're using a capless wig cap. These are awesome if you don't know what size your client's head's gonna be, because it stretches very, very nicely. And then we're using a 13x14 frontal, 13x4, I'm sorry. And then also 3 straight bundles. I can't tell you where I got them from because I forgot, I'll just be honest. But we're gonna get right on the canvas head. We're gonna go ahead and position the cap on there to where it's lined up with the lines on the canvas head, and everything is all balanced. And then we're gonna go ahead and sew the frontal on, and I'll be back. All right, you guys, so that you always have equal tension, you want to start in the middle of the frontal and sew one side first, and then go back to the middle and sew the other side down. That's going to make it lay flat like it's supposed to. And then after this step, we're going to go and get on the machine. For visual purposes, I wanted to let you guys see how I'm drawing my lines as far as how I'm going to move around on the machine. I'm going on in all those little spaces that I'm hitting. I wanted to mark them so you guys could see them. That's where I'm going to be laying my tracks at, or the wefts. And so you can do the same thing. You can mark it if you need to. There's a little bit of netting on the side that you might need to add marks to or whatever, but I just wanted to show you guys that extra step before I get on the machine. All right, you guys, the wig is complete. As you can see, the plastic is still on the inside, and all you basically have to do is just pull that plastic out. You can separate the wefts and it'll release the plastic, or you could just do what I'm doing and just pull it out. You definitely want to take that out. That's the purpose of the cap, is to kind of get some air into the head and for more breathability, basically. And so once I pull all of that out, you guys will see in those little grooves, there'll still be some plastic, so you'll have to flip the wig the other way to get those little pieces out. I'll show you what that looks like in the next clip, and then we're gonna go into the coloring process. All right, you guys, let's get into the coloring process. We're going for a 3 skunk tripe vibe. 3 skunk. Dang, I can't even say it. 3 skunk tripe. 3 skunk stripe vibe on the hairline. Thank you, Jesus. So we're gonna start with one in the middle, and then we're gonna do 2 on the sides. The ones on the sides is gonna be like where the temples are, and a little bit below, probably like 1.5 inches to 2 inches below the temple. And then again, the one in the middle. And so you're gonna section those parts off, make sure they're even, make sure you got clean partings, and then you're gonna mix your volume, your bleach and your developer together. I use a 30 volume, and then you're gonna apply it to the hair. You know what I'm saying? You just keep going. And I'm getting tongue twisted here, but yeah. So you apply it to the hair and you watch it, make sure that it's processing well, and before you take it off, just make sure everything is the same color. And then you guys are gonna see what that looks like, and I'm gonna get out of here because I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna go. I'll be back. Honey, here, check this out. Your boy did his thing, you know what I'm saying? Boy, did his little razzle dazzle, you know what I'm saying? Whatever. No, but make sure make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you know when I'm posting new content. And we're gonna go to part 2. That's where the wolf cut is, and that's where we're gonna do a little bit of extra styling. And so I will see you guys over there, and let's go.